finally a little bit of sunshine, plenty more rain on the way. First thing I'm going to do is give these a major haircut. Tomato really only needs about 8 leaves to survive. I've got quite a good crop on here. I don't want to lose them, so I'm going to do everything to save them and get as much of this black spot off as I can right up front. So, major haircut's the first thing. Major haircut, and yep, they look terrible, very sparse, not much left on the, not many leaves left at all. And behind them I've also given the zucchinis a major haircut that are growing behind them because they've got the mold too. One thing you really want to do is when you cut your black spot off is make sure you dispose of it. Get the black spot, the leaves and stuff you've cut off a long way away from where your tomatoes are. This is what I do with mine. Give them to the bull. That'll fix it. He don't mind it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get some air back into this soil. So gently, without digging up the roots of the tomato, and I've got this compost here, I'm just shaking up the top, getting some air back in here, breaking up the mud, because there's so much water it's just coagulated this soil. And that's the beauty of where I live, you know, you get this beautiful red organic soil. So I've got some air back into the soil, and now getting spots of sunshine, which is great, and spots of not, but there will be more rain. So next thing I'm going to do, this is builder's lime, right? And I'm going to spread this around and use builder's lime. Is about 1/3 of the price of garden lime, and it breaks down a lot quicker, or hydrated lime sometimes called. So if you're looking to save a few costs, here's a little trick for you. So I want to spread this around because wet lime will kill a lot of things. So you can be quite liberal with it. Poor little wormy there is in trouble. Put him in the water, he'll be right. So now we've got the hydrated lime all around this plant. You might be wondering what this structure is here. This is just a piece of PVC pipe, irrigation pipe. I've bent over with a couple of star pickets. This is just hay bale string. So what I've done, and what you know, it's just part of growing tomatoes, is I've strung up, and as the vines grow, I just add more strings on here and get them up out of the ground, get them up off that ground, so I can get that lime back into this compost and this mulch here. So you get them up where it's dry and the air can get around them. Now I like to do things organically, and with the rain, I'm probably going to have another week of rain every day, so whatever I put on is going to wash off fairly quickly. So this is an organic spray that I use, that I can spray every day, and look, I think it probably cost me about $1 to put together. So first, bicarb soda. That's about a tablespoon of bicarb soda. It's pretty bad, so we'll give it a good shock. Two spoons of bicarb soda. Then get yourself some milk. And it's the protein in the milk that you kind of want, and about a litre of milk, so that's about half of that. So bicarb soda, milk, and then 2 litres of what's now rainwater. 2 tablespoons of bicarb soda, 1 litre of milk, 2 litres of water. Put that into, look how much water it is. Fantastic. Bit of an old spray, that one. Now what we're going to do is, and give them a damn good soaking anywhere that black spot is. This is organic. You can use it on the, I said I've got zucchini out the back here, so I'm using it on zucchini. And I'm going to put this on pretty much after every rainstorm that I get now. And I'm going to give it a good soaking, probably, which is going to be each day now. Let's review that in the water puddle. We've treated the soil, aerated it, treated the mulch, limed it, treated the vine, trimmed it back, cut all the leaves down, and then we've sprayed it. And we're going to keep spraying it pretty much each day or after each lot of rain that washes it off, or if you water them after watering. So there you go, that's how you do it. Your vine's going to look pretty stark, but you are going to get a crop of tomatoes out of them, and they are going to be okay. So, we've mastered this black spot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If not, come back and you'll see some other good videos on here. Cheers now.